Hi, welcome to the channel 3D Multimedia. So today we are going to remove vocal and music, or we are going to separate the vocal and music from a song. To do that, let's come to the web browser and type vocalremover.org, and you will be able to see this user interface. And let us browse. Okay, so come to the specific folder where you have a certain file. Okay, so I have a video song in the format of .mp4. So I'm just uploading it. I'll take few seconds to upload in this user interface. Okay, so you need to wait for a few minutes to process the audio. So once the uploading is completed, you can see the vocal and music are separate. If you want, you can play and search. Okay, apart from this, you can come to the option for saving it. You can see the format is saved in .mp3 format. We uploaded in mp4 and now we have in mp3 format. You can click on save, and if you want only the music, you can click on this music option. If you want only vocal, you can click on this option. If you want both the music and vocal track together, then you can click on this save option.